Hello everyone, today I'll be doing an unboxing video of the Jaify Smart Keypad Door Lock with Handle. First, we can check the packaging. Then, let's see what's inside. These are the items included in the product. This is the smart lock. You can see the logo of Jaify. If you are using a Jaify device for the first time, you can scan this QR code or search for Jaify in your phone's app store to download the app. Thank you for watching. With Jaify, with safety.